Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn exactly how to connect a flow switch and a contactor to control a water pump automatically. So let's dive into it. So before we start the connection, let's take a look at flow switch and contactor itself. So flow switch work by dictating the water level in our tank, and contactor is a switch that carries our load. So how these two components work together? So flow switch detects the level of water in our tank, and when the flow switch detects the level, it will send a signal to our contactor, and contactor will close or open depending on the level of water in our tank. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to do the connection. So let's start. So here is my breaker, here is my contactor, and here is my flow switch. So I don't have a water pump here, so we are going to use this bulb to test run the connection. So this bulb will act as our water pump. So let's begin. So we will start by connecting our live and neutral wire from our breaker to our contactor. So let's begin. So this is my neutral wire. I'll connect it here. Then I'll connect this one here, the L3. So here is L3 of our contactor. I'll connect it here. So now pick our live wire. Then we'll connect this live wire to L1 of the contactor. So lose it down. So we are done with the input. So let's connect our pump. Remember, we are using this bulb as our pump. So connect it to T1 and T3 here. So let me use it. So now we are done. So now let's go ahead and wire our flow switch. So now if you watch my previous video, I explained this three wire. Every flow switch has a three wire. So now here is a black wire, this is a blue, and this is brown wire. So this black wire is the input wire of the flow switch. This is a live wire of the flow switch, and this blue wire is the normally open wire, and this brown wire is normally closed wire. So if you want to use this flow switch to control your water level, if you want to use this flow switch to turn on your water pump when the water decreases in your tank, then you will use these two wire. So now we are going to cut this one off because we are not working with it. So cut it here now. So we are going to use only these two. So now this one, now this black wire is the input wire of the flow switch. This is the live wire of your flow switch, and this one now is the normally open wire. This one will connect to our contactor coil. So let's go ahead and connect this one. So because this black wire is the input wire of this flow switch, so we are going to join it with this red wire here, with this live wire here. So let's lose it out. close it like this and join it. Join it this way and put it back. So now current go from here enters our flow switch, then from this normally open wire it comes out. So now this blue wire now will connect it to our contactor coil. So these two terminal here is our contactor coil. This is A1 and this is A2. So here we'll connect our neutral and live wire. So this one now, from this blue wire from our flow switch, will connect to A1 of the contactor coil. Then neutral will connect to A2 of the contactor. So let's connect it. So this is our blue wire from the flow switch. We peel it off this way. And this one goes to A2 of our contactor coil. So that's it. Then we'll connect our neutral to our coil. So we'll join our neutral from here to coil. So we'll connect this one here. And this one now goes to our contactor coil. So now this one has come out, we'll connect it back. So now we are done with the connection. So let's go ahead and test it. Please guys, if it is, make sure you subscribe to the channel and follow us and follow this channel for more videos like this. See, it turns on because our flow switch goes down. As you are using your water, when the water goes down like this, our water pump will turn on. And water will start pumping. So as water is pumping out, as water is increasing in our tank, the flow switch will also be going up till the water full in our tank and our load will turn on. So this is how to connect a flow switch. You can see